In this lab, one of these keyboard trays, not this one, this is fully functional, is stuck. This one here. So that's how it looks like when it's stuck. So let's have a go at it. Apparently, the left side is stuck more than the right side, because when I pull it in the middle, the right side wants to move more easily. So let's compare the two sides. Let's have a look at the drawer slide. This mechanism is the drawer slide, and it should move and extend, and this is ready to move, and this one is not, it's stuck. So let's compare the left side with the right side. On an intact drawer slide, apparently this is how it's folded, and it's dead straight as an arrow. Over here on this side, it appears to be straight, especially at the beginning, but I see that something is not okay here. The inside moving part of the drawer slide should be contained within this channel, just like here on this side, exactly like this. It sticks out a little bit, about that much, so that's how the end should look like, and the whole length of it, the moving part, should be sticking out that much from the stationary part, and that's clearly not the case here. So let's have a look, see what's causing this. So this is the non-moving side. I'm underneath the table here, and we're looking at the tail end of this thing, and it's apparent that this metal tab here has been forced in too much. This stop here should be on the other side of this metal. It's apparent on this side that that's the tab. This is the tab that's being forced past this piece of metal. So the fix here is straightforward. We need to pry it out, up and over and back into the track. So let's give it a try with this very simple flat bar. See if this one help. Oh yeah, I say problem solved. It's easy to slide out, easy to slide in, and it hits the end of the drawer slide as it should. And if people are pushing in the left side and the right, it doesn't matter which one is the left now, but if the people are pushing in both sides evenly, say from the center, instead of pushing it from one corner only, then this should roll in easily. And if it's not pushed in with too much force, and it doesn't need much extra force to cause this situation, then it should function. Now there, if it's pushed in this much, we're back in the same. Okay, so how can this be prevented? This can happen with very little force. So maybe I can bend these pieces a little better or differently to prevent this from happening. Alright, so what I did was I took a super small adjustable wrench, crescent wrench, and I bent this end tab a little bit that way forward. As a result, it looks like it's been fixed. Nice.